I am Chanel Matthews, and this is Unfiltered. Hurricane season begins June 1, and being prepared matters. We spoke to people across Jamaica about their hurricane preparedness.
Of course, I always look up for the news. I reach out for my social contacts, and I always keep in touch with the people I know and be informed what the weather is gonna do. And then I gonna start from that on to see what preparations I gonna need to do.
I prepared, gather things from beforehand, like, candles, get the kerosene oil and get like thin stuff so that you can, eat when the lights go off, so you can eat, as well as those who have medication, they have to put them up properly, like in a bag, so you container where water cannot touch it, and, some of basic things you need for survival, yeah.
Well, in truth and in fact, you can never really be prepared, but what you can do is try and have the necessary thing that you need. If you need to button down, you button down. No matter with no candle this year, candle not work. Make sure you have your kerosene and your battery and your solar system. Make sure you have your tin food, and make sure you have your dry food. Store them up, and make sure you have clean drinking water.
So I come from country, so my parents are usually the ones to actually look what to do, because I don't have a home for myself yet, but they cut down trees, ensure that the windows are battened down, ensure that everything that could blow away doesn't blow away by battening them down as well. So look around everywhere and ensure that everything is secure.
You can never prepare for a hurricane season. Well, you do the usual, ensure that you don't have a leaking roof. You stock up on all medical items. You have your transition radio or whatsoever. And you try to learn as much about the upcoming hurricane.
Try to work on it. I try to do everything when my data send in money. Well, I put on. So, well, I don't know how we just wait. And then you're here to help me, and I would like my roof one because water is killing me.